How to fix your connection is not private error in Google Chrome? First step, refresh the page, reload or press Ctrl plus R for Windows, Command plus R for Mac. Next step, update Google Chrome. Open up Chrome, click the three dot icon on the right hand side, scroll down, click settings. This page will appear. In this, click about Chrome, click it, install any available update. If there is any error occur means you need to click get help with Chrome and solve it. And come to next step, clear Chrome cache and cookies. For this, click privacy and security, click delete browsing data, click it, select all times, click delete from this device. Once delete complete after, you need to click reset settings, click it and click restore settings for original default and reset it. And come to next step, click settings, click network and internet settings, click advanced network settings, click network reset and reset your network. Once reset complete after, the next step, open up this PC, right click, click properties, click tools, click check and scan the drive. It's entirely scanning your C drive. If there is any corrupted file having means it will remove it. Once complete after, a pop-up will appear successfully scanned. Click OK and restart your device. Thank you.